Hello, and thank you for listening to this presentation on the Virtual Workforce Information System, or VWIS. My name is Alan Slack, and hopefully this short video will introduce you to the ideas behind VWIS and demonstrate the work of the VWIS project team since 2019. Before we start, a quick note on VWIS. When we talk about VWIS and refer to the VWIS process, we are referring both to the end user product and the systems and processes that have been developed in the back end to allow us to portray the data and information as you can see here. The VWIS tool is designed to collate workforce information from across organisations which either deploy staff or directly employ staff, which sit within the emerging local care organisations or the integrated out-of-hospital health and social care workforce. The tool itself is based in Tableau, which for those not familiar with it, is a business intelligence and data visualization tool similar to Power BI. The aim of VWIS is to support decision makers, workforce planners, and senior stakeholders from across the system to understand the shape and composition of their workforce. The reason we wanted to create a tool which demonstrates the workforce of only these integrated teams is because local care organisations are typically comprised of a number of statutory providers. These providers employ staff across health and social care and general practice, and so workforce reporting takes place within an organisation using its own systems and processes. Therefore, there isn't a mechanism that amalgamates this data to provide a comprehensive view of the workforce. In line with the NHS long-term plan, it is imperative that health and social care organisations work together to support their communities and staff. This starts with understanding the baseline and developing a single version of the truth. The benefit of using Tableau to create this tool is so that we can collect line-level data from participating organisations and amalgamate it into one visualisation. The VWIS project commenced in January 2019 with an ambitious plan and a vision to develop a useful tool which would be low resource for the localities which would like to use it. The delivery schedule has been adapted over the lifetime of the project as huge amounts of new information has been gathered and developments and transformations have taken place, and the onboarding process now only takes 4 weeks from the locality initialization meeting to end users having access to the VWIS tool. The key work streams are divided into 3 areas: system engagement and collaboration, information governance, and technical development. System engagement has been a key activity within both the pilot sites of Manchester and Bolton and also across the wider system. Through this workstream, we're now able to identify necessary data, spot problems early on, identify critical stakeholders, and understand the complexities of the data sharing. Information governance has been one of the biggest challenges and areas of learning for the project, and to date we've worked in collaboration with MFT and Manchester Council to create robust information governance agreements, documentation and processes for trusts and local authorities. The learning that's come from this piece of work has been shared with parties across the wider system, allowing viewers to support and feed into other strategies and projects. The development of the actual tool has relied heavily on engagement and information governance due to the complex web of interconnectivity and the granularity of the subject matter. The team has now created a complete end-to-end process from developing a data specification upload template and visualizations to ensuring there is guidance and information in place to support localities and organizations to use the tool. This system documentation and process can be lifted and shifted to new localities while work continues to ensure end users are trained and can access the tool. This slide provides a quick demonstration of the VWIS tool from the perspective of an end user. As you can see, the The tool is easy to log into from a link using a web browser. Users click the Request Access link on first use and are then allocated the necessary permissions and viewing rights for the appropriate localities. The user then navigates to the VWiz workbook and then to the views within this workbook. The landing page displays this map of GM localities, showing which are currently submitting data to the tool and the organizations and FTEs which make up each locality and the current VWiz dataset. At the bottom of this view is a link to some Tableau training videos. These videos will support the viewer-specific guidance created by the project team and should hopefully enable as many users as possible to get to grips with Tableau quickly, even if they haven't used it before. The headings across the top of the page are various views that have been created from the data items collected by the bespoke collection mechanisms for VWiz. Further guidance and explanation relating to each view can be found by hovering over the information icon in the top left-hand corner of the view. This first view shows the workforce baseline for the combined health, social care and general practice workforce in Greater Manchester and provides an example of the manipulations and interactions that are possible for the end user. At the top of the view are a variety of filters which can be altered to slice and dice the data in a variety of ways, allowing the end user to drill down to answer specific questions about the integrated workforce. The first two charts show the FTE of the integrated workforce split by sector in a donut chart and a line chart showing the FTE and headcount over time. One of the nice features in Tableau is the tooltips which appear to give extra information and intelligence about areas and data points on charts and tables. The charts below show a split by sector and staff group and also the gender split by age band. Each locality can be assigned a number of super users, which will see a Manage Users button to allow them to give new users access to view and interact with their locality's aggregated data in VWiz. VWiz has low number suppression throughout all views so that individuals cannot be identified. This view demonstrates one of the planning support aspects of the Viewers tool. Here we have generated an interactive dashboard which displays the FTE and percentage of staff from an area or within a specific job role that could retire within a certain number of years. In this view, both the age and the years to retirement can be changed by the user. This provides localities with a view of how many staff could potentially retire in any given number of years, and so allow for some succession planning to take place. There are highlight metrics down the right-hand side, and further down are charts showing age distribution, gender split, nationality, and BAME splits to help ensure that the workforce is representative of the local community. This view shows the aspirations of VWIS to have the ability to demonstrate the local care organisations across GM with a breakdown of the staff working within a specific neighbourhood. Here we have general practice staff which can be interrogated at a locality, neighbourhood or primary care network level. The filters can be used to drill down here to a specific locality. These different shaded areas are all different neighbourhoods of Stockport. Here you can see different metrics on the right hand side of the screen which provide specific intelligence. For example, the percent of staff aged 55 and over. Below this, we have age band, GP country of qualification charts, and then further detail at practice and job role or staff group level. Thank you for listening, and I hope this whistle-stop tour of VWIS has broadened your understanding of the tool and processes involved and given you some awareness of the intelligence and insights possible through the interactive visualizations we have created.